Good morning, students. So, in this particular lecture, we are going to see the theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, from the chapter number 1, similarity. Now, in the previous lecture, we have studied about the test of similarity. We have seen what is similar triangles. Now, we will see a theorem. And what is the statement of the theorem? When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So, what is given in this particular statement? That there are two triangles and both the triangles are similar to each other. So, I have drawn here two triangles, triangle ABC, which is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, and I have taken AD as the height of triangle ABC and PS as the height of triangle PQR. Okay. Now, in this case, when two triangles are similar, the ratio of the areas, that means area ABC upon area PQR, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. So, what we have to prove, we have to prove that the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, now, ratio of the squares of corresponding sides. So AB square upon PQ square. Okay, these are the corresponding sides, square of them, equal to AC square upon PR square equal to BC square upon QR square. Okay, so we have to prove in this particular theorem that the ratio of the areas of similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of the corresponding sides. Okay, so this is what we have to prove. Okay, we have the given data that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and what else we have been given to this particular theorem? That is AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. Okay, so this is the given data and we know what we have to prove. So without wasting a minute, we will directly head towards the proof. Okay, so for proving this particular theorem, obviously we are going to use the test of similarity. Okay, so let us start with the proof. So we know that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is the formula of area of any triangle? The formula is half into base into height, half into base into height. So half into base BC into height AD upon half into base QR upon height PS. सो हाफ हाफ जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा, कैंसिल हो जाएगा. हम लोगों ने कंडीशंस स्टडी किए हैं ओके इन टर्म्स ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स. सो वहां पे हम लोगों ने फॉर्मूला देखा था कि रेशियो ऑफ एनी एरियाज ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू base into height upon base into height of first triangle upon base into height of second triangle. फॉर्मूला क्या था? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल 1 अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल 2 इज इक्वल्स टू b1 इंटू h1 अपॉन b2 इंटू h2. सो बेस क्या है हमारा? b1 क्या है यहाँ पे? bc है. सो bc इंटू हाइट क्या है हमारा? ad है. ओके, अपॉन यहाँ पे बेस क्या है हमारा? qr इंटू हमारा हाइट क्या है यहाँ पे? ps. इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं bc अपॉन qr इंटू ad अपॉन ps. okay, in this way. So this will be our equation 1. Then I will take triangle abd in triangle abd and triangle pqs. okay, these are the two triangles that I have considered. So we know that angle b is equal to angle q. okay, both these angles, angle b is equal to angle q. okay, this is what, and why this both the angles are equal? Because these are the angles of similar triangles. okay, so both the angles are equal. So we can write angles, okay, corresponding angles of similar triangles. okay, corresponding angles of triangles, corresponding angles of similar triangles. Again I can write angle adb is equal to angle psq. angle adb is equal to angle psq. what is the reason? Both the angles are 90 degree. Both the angles are 90 degree. So we can write both 90 degree angles. okay, so as two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, that is congruent, so we can state that triangle abd is similar to triangle pqs. triangle abd is similar to triangle pqs. so we can write ab upon pq is equals to ad upon ps. okay, as we know, the ratio, if the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding side is going to be equal, okay, are in same proportion. so I have taken ab upon pq is equals to ad upon ps. okay, now let us consider this as equation 2. Then as we have been provided with the given data that triangle abc is similar to triangle pqr, okay, triangle abc is similar to triangle pqr, we can write ab upon pq is equals to bc upon qr is equals to ac upon pr. okay, as we have been provided with the given data that triangle abc is similar to triangle pqr, we can take the ratio of their corresponding sides in same proportion. okay, so this is going to be a equation 3. now in equation 2 and equation 3 we can see that ab upon pq is equals to ad upon ps. okay, again here ab upon pq is equals to bc upon qr. okay, So as AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PS, that means that BC upon QR is also equal to AD upon PS. यहाँ पे देखो AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ, AD upon PS, BC upon QR. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है, इक्वल है, तो राइट हैंड साइड भी क्या होना चाहिए, इक्वल होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स AD अपॉन PS इज इक्वल्स टू BC अपॉन QR. सो मैं यहाँ पर AD अपॉन PS इक्वेशन 1 में AD अपॉन PS की जगह पे क्या लिख सकता हूँ, BC अपॉन QR लिख सकता हूँ. आई कैन राइट दैट. ओके, सो आई विल टेक इट, राइट इट डाउन. So I can write, therefore from 1 2 and 3 area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC अपॉन QR है, एज इट इज लिखूंगा मैं यहाँ पे BC अपॉन QR. ओके, इनटू फ्रॉम 2 and 3 आई एम गेटिंग दैट AD upon PS is nothing but BC upon QR. So in place of AD upon PS, I am going to write down BC upon QR. That means BC into BC, it is BC square upon QR into QR, it is QR square. Okay, so BC upon QR is equal to AB upon PQ and AC upon PR is equals to BC upon QR. So we can write, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB square upon PQ square is equals to BC square upon QR square is equals to AC square upon PR square. Okay, so in this way we have got the required proof of the theorem. Okay, so here we have proved that ratios of areas of similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. Okay, so area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB square upon PQ square is equals to BC square upon QR square is equals to AC square upon PR square. Okay, so we can write hence proved. Okay, so here we have proved the theorem. Now in the next lecture we are going to solve the practice set related to this particular theorem. Okay, until then, goodbye.